My correct person there. Alpha. Wetin dey sup? E don take small abi? My name na Favour, and I wan come tell you one ogbonge thing wey go dey shele on top YouTube on the 1st of August 2024. And wetin be dis thing wey dey shele so? Deep Thought Films don do am again. E get one book wey dem write, Tainted. Na Mrs. Opeyemi Akintunde na write the book. And now Deep Thought Films don decide to do the movie adaptation of the book. In fact, dem don already do am. They say on the 1st of August, they go release the movie for YouTube, for their YouTube channel, Deep Thought Films. So everything what you need to do, the only thing you need to do right now, is why you dey talk like this now, so sharp, just quick, go their YouTube channel, Deep Thought Films. In fact, just see am for your screen, they show for your screen. Oh yeah, go find out for YouTube, subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell, so that as soon as the movie drop like bacam, you will be one of the first persons to know say better don share on top YouTube. See, if you know me, you go know say I no dey quick come outside come praise something, I no dey quick come outside come talk about say this thing e good when the thing no good. See, Tainted Hearts, you know that teenager, you know that youth, you know that adult wey need to find closure to certain issues. Na the movie be that. No just watch am alone. Call your friend. In fact, tell this person wey dey talk so that when you share and give them, share this particular video, give your friends, give your church members, give your neighbors, give your co-worker, your colleague, give your oga sef. Share am far and wide. Make everybody rush go Deep Thought Films. Make dem go subscribe so that dem go fit see the movie as e go take drop on the 1st of August 2024. May not be like say I don't tell you that maybe run come outside. Say, quick drop this update.